Hi, Wheels on Eat here. Back at it with another challenge. Because somehow, after doing like 5 challenges with a mixture of 1, 2, and 3 and 5 points, I'm back in 11th. But we're gonna start it off with the Rice Krispie treat square with the 7 bar primo. I've never done this challenge. It's squared with 2 points, but hope you guys are doing well. Hey, it's almost Friday, so happy almost Friday to everybody. Why is it so big? Like, oh yeah. Here goes nothing. I think I showed my subscriber pass already.
Yep. And it's 2 minute afterburn, right?
Very orange. Very orange.
Is it sweet?
Sweet and you can taste the
7-pot primo?
7 bar primo. Yeah.
Does it taste good though?
Tastes a little like a little too much like 7 bar primo, but I it's alright. I mean, I don't mind the spicy squares, but too much like pepper. If I think
Let's see. Just somebody sending messages.
Yeah.
Gerald.
Not too bad. Bigger. Bigger than I want today. Right, this piece got to me, but that's okay. Can I have a Kleenex, please? Thank you. Jeff the fireman asked me because he just did a new challenge from Project 912. The chocolate with 16 million scribbles. So,
You gotta try that, eh?
yeah, Well, eventually. Not right now. That would hurt me very bad. But I would still attempt it. Right in the back of the throat.
Still easier than that pixie that you did the other day.
Yeah. This is harder than that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's due to quantity, but I'm starting to see double because, well, not double, but my vision is getting watery because my eyes are watering.
Yeah.
Bigger than I ever want Rice Krispie. On my nose. Let's go.
Just about done.
Annoying when your nose keeps running.
Down the hatch.
Woman. I thought it would be. I actually will do the other challenge in a separate video because I actually have to go to the washroom. So after the 2 minute afterburn, I'm gonna wash them, but, and then hop on here and do the other one.
Done?
Done. That's 5. Isn't that 5?
No, it's not 5, it's 2 minutes.
I'm backwards. The 2 looks like a 5
Yeah,
in the video.
yeah.
Here, Tit.
My nephew. He's around 10 months now, so almost a year. Almost there. Time flies. Time sure flies. But be back on here making the other video. I would do them back to back, but when I have to go to Wazoo, when nature calls, nature calls. And I'm not very good at holding it, so I'll be back. But definitely warmer than I thought. Must be the quantity. But 7 by Primo doesn't play around, so not surprised. Well, anyways, this will be all on Heat. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.